Hi everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video on login science. Today in this video we will be learning how to sign out of your ChatGPT account. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. The very first step is to move into any web browser. In the search bar, search for chat.openai.com. First of all, you have to log into your account. You have been logged into your account. Now as we're looking forward on how to sign out or log out of your ChatGPT account, all you have to do is click on this three horizontal line at the top left corner. The option of logout will be visible to you at the bottom. Tap on it. There you go, you have successfully signed out of your ChatGPT account. You can still log into your ChatGPT account anytime you want. So this is it for today, and this was the simple process on how to log out or sign out of your ChatGPT account. I hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.